Here are 2 easy ways to make red velvet cookies from box cake mix, both versions made from the same batter. And here's my dog Miley coming to say hello in her cute little pajamas. Just look at her eyeing my food. Don't worry, I gave her a little snack to hold her over. Anyway, for the recipe, you just need to stir together red velvet cake mix, 2 eggs, a stick of melted butter, and a tablespoon of cornstarch just until there are no dry spots remaining. The cornstarch helps keep the cookies soft while also making them a bit chewy. Cookie number 1, I scooped half of the batter into balls, rolled them into sugar, then plop them onto a baking sheet. And here I'm just adding some ears on top to turn a few of them into bears. For cookie version number 2, I folded in white chocolate chips to the rest of the batter. Then I scooped and plopped it onto my baking sheet. I forgot to show on camera, but after baking, I topped these with some flaky sea salt. Once the cookies were cooled, I used some melted chocolate to decorate the bears, and that's pretty much it. I know I only shared 2 versions, but feel free to dress up the cookies any way you like. You can add crushed pretzels, M&Ms, marshmallows, anything you want. What other cake mix cookies would you like to see? Yellow cake mix cookies, funfetti, chocolate? Let me know in the comments. Happy baking!